Global Konet's efforts for powerful communication include endless research and development to provide next-generation 5G Ka-band and Ku-band phased array broadband beamforming antenna. Based on our excellent high-end technology, we are moving into the world at low prices antenna. To allow high-speed internet services to be delivered swiftly and accurately for communication around the world. List of Global Konet products. A differentiated premium satellite antenna available anywhere in the world under any circumstances. An undisturbed solution for addressing disasters in real time, even on the move. Swift and rapid satellite communication network service for urgent recovery actions at disaster areas. Efficient reception and high-throughput transmission of phased array technology. Development and innovation are necessary to offer future-oriented beam-forming solution. World-class 100 Mbps broadband 5G backup panel antenna offers services available worldwide for high-speed internet communication. Make them all new solution at Global Konet.